all my new subscribers. I want to give a shout out to George Woods. He subscribed to my channel just recently. And today I have a great topic for you guys. Everybody's been asking, I've been traveling the world, how am I possibly doing this? What am I doing to bring in income? What am I doing? And so I have some answers for you guys. Well, traveling, of course, you're able to do a lot of things online. Or you're also able to make things automated. So I'm gonna tell you 3 ways that I was able to do this, live this lifestyle. I've been away from the US for 7 months, guys, and I don't think I'm going back anytime soon. So I'm gonna tell you how I do. So the first thing I did, of course, is real estate investing. I did that before I left. I invested into a few different properties. I even wholesaled a few properties to gain some money. I have some current lease options that I have, and those lease options allow me to have tenants, pay every month, and then also that's the money that I'm using, of course, to have this trip as well. And then with real estate investing, it's just a residual thing, and also they're going to buy and purchase the house, so I don't have to worry about it when I go back. And also they take care of the maintenance, so I don't got to go back for any toilet issues or ceiling issues or none of that jazz. So real estate investing has definitely helped me. And 2, having a Shopify online store. I love Shopify. I make money every day on Shopify. Of course, it takes a little bit of money because you have to put it into marketing to get the leads and sales. But hey, if you're traveling on the go, this is the best way to do it. I drop ship everything. And so that way I don't have to worry about inventory at all. It's easy. It's a few steps. They have great apps that you're able to do it. And I put a link below where you can actually get a free ebook that I wrote of 6 Shopify apps that you can get right now to help you create more leads and sales during your trip. Then the 3rd, last but not least, Forex. So with Forex, foreign exchange market, of course, you're trading different currencies and making money on the go. That is the most fastest way possible you can make money. But if you never did Forex before, you're going to actually have to go through trial and error. And thank goodness I was doing it before I even left the United States, to where I stumbled then, and now I'm just starting to make a lot of profit, to where, hey, it is funding my trip. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. I walked underneath a tree. So those are the 3 ways for sure that I've made money by traveling, and it's been consistent. Now, of course, there's other ways that you can make money while you're traveling. They hire people that speak English nearby. Maybe there's a hostel that needs some cleaning, some help, or even just translating. And they have online different work from home jobs, but of course they want to verify your address. So some places may work, some places won't. So those are ways that I make money. 1 was real estate investing, 2, Shopify, and 3 is Forex. So if you guys want any help with that, you can always message me. But that's how I make my money while I'm traveling. Pretty simple, right? It is simple, but it takes a lot of work and dedication. And I hope you guys at least get one of those avenues that can help you while you're traveling so you can travel more. All right. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Subscribe. Turn those notifications on so you can get notified every time I drop a video. If you're already a subscriber, y'all know I love you and I appreciate you so, so much. Continue to travel the world if you're traveling. If you're not, what are you waiting for? There's ways. If you don't do it now, you're going to regret it. I'm telling you. Go ahead, travel the world. Go to new cultures, speak new languages, like learn their customs. Like, it's just so much fun. And I don't know what you're missing. Well, actually, I do know what you're missing since I'm over here traveling. But you have to come and make that decision, and I'll be here. Let you know the hottest spots around, where to stay, where to eat. So let me know. All right.
Hello, how you guys doing? I've been in Bali for like a week now. It's very good. Nice. I'm enjoying myself. Weather's peaceful or nice. You can find me on my website, ELLOMARTIN.com. I think she will put it down there. Instagram, ELLOMARTIN, and Twitter, ELLOMARTIN, all the same. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Snapchat right. As well. I might add that as well.
Yeah. Is Snapchat the same thing?
No, that's ILLMART.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta follow him.
Peace out.